Hey Zach, I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on this. I am exhausted, so I'm gonna go to bed. It's already so late. Um, so I got most of the admin functions working. The user function I still need to work on. I think the quickest way to show you is just to run run it. So here's the server on this side, and the client gonna be over here. Okay. Well, it's gonna ask for our username. We're gonna start off as an admin because we don't have any users yet. Admin default password is admin pass. Welcome admin, what would you like to do? You see that the login was executed earlier too over here. First we're going to start off by adding a user. First name, I'm going to enter my information here. And my storage quota is going to be 50. No, it's going to be 100. The new user has been added to the list. And you can see over here, add user, the new user has been added to the list. And here's the information here. Okay. We can go ahead and go to list users right now, just to see what our users are right now. You can see the list of users executed, and right here on the client, it's going to show this is the only user that's in the system right now. Add another quick user, John Ham, GA24, whatever. Storage quota is going to be 50. And if we go to list the users, you can see that we're both stored here. Okay. And just like before, John Ham's over here on the server side. So all these users are going to be stored in this class over here. Nothing's going to be stored on the client side. Everything's being run on the server side. Let's see what else we can do. We can go ahead and let's say we want to change one of the user's quotas. No, let's remove a user real quick. Just like before, we're going to remove John Ham, GA2345, and he had the 50 quota. Okay, we go list users. I'm the only one that's left here. Now let's say we want to change my quota. We're changing the 100 quota, and we would like to change it to 20. Quota successfully updated. You can see right here, change user quota was executed. You can go ahead and list the users again, and you can see that the quota was changed to 20. Something else we can do is we can change the password of the admin. Let's see, is that we already went through remove users? Okay. Let's change the password. We're going to change it to it's defaulted as admin pass, so we're just going to change it to networking. And we're going to go ahead and just log out now. We still have the one user, that's my information. So we're going to go to admin and admin pass. Admin pass is the old password, and when we try to enter it, you can see that the login is not successful. It's having us re-log in. So we're going to be admin, and the password was networking, and now it'll let us log in. Okay. Now, if we go to log out now, we want to log in as me, as my username, GC3526. The default password is going to be password on this one. We can go ahead and change the password of my user just by executing 7 command. You selected to change user password. You can see change user password is executed over here. New password, computer, I guess, computer networking. Password successfully updated. Now if we want to do GC3526 and the password computer, it'll log us in as the user. The only thing I got done on this part is the upload new file to cloud. You can see in Google Drive I have that test text file. That's the one I'm going to be uploading right now. So I execute the 9. you select the upload file to cloud drive, enter the file name. So you can see upload file was executed. The file name is just test.txt. Now it says that the test.txt file is entered, and the contents, I haven't really changed it, but the contents were hello world, and the contents were transferred over to the server. You can see right here that it did carry over. I just need to now save that into the file into the server, and that will be the cloud server, I guess. There's a couple of wonky things, like if I were to, let's see, if I go to 11, I log out, admin pass. No, it's not admin pass, it was networking. If we go to remove like a user, first thing we like to remove, just like before, let's say the name wasn't in there, like enter your name, it's gonna crash. So I could go through and add all this, like the error catching, but maybe we can we'll worry about that towards the end if we have time, because it's due tomorrow. But I'm willing to just demonstrate it and not do any errors during the presentation. I think would be the best bet. What else did we do? Yeah, I didn't do the download on the server side or the show drive yet. Likewise with over here. I mean, I got the connection to the server. I just need to enter the download code. I got the upload code finished. But yeah, I can make another video going through this more if you need to. But I have to work most of the day tomorrow, unfortunately. So we'll see how that goes. Is there anything else I need to go through? I think that's it.